In this video, I'm going to show you how to make subscription private on YouTube. When you make your subscription private, when you subscribe to someone else's channel, they will not be notified or know that you are subscribed to their channel. And this is quite easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do this on mobile, and then I'm going to show you how to do this on your computer. First, what you want to do on your mobile is open YouTube. And once you have YouTube open, what you want to do is tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Now, what you want to do is tap on View Channel, and this will take you to your channel. On your channel, you want to tap on the pencil icon. Scroll down a little and you're going to see privacy. Here you're going to see keep all my subscription private. To make your subscription private, toggle on this and your subscription will be made private. Now on computer, the steps here are quite different. What you want to do is click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to click on settings. On the settings page to your left, you're going to see privacy. Click on privacy, and here you'll find keep all my subscription private. Now keep in mind that your subscription won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to make subscription private on YouTube. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and have its post notification turned on. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.